So we were able to calculate out the average speed per year for both the plate on the left, North American plate, A to B, the African plate, the plate on the right from B to C, and then both together, right? The spreading rate of both together. So thinking about that general motion apart, they're separating and creating a distance of 3.68 from A to C every single year. So essentially, this is plus or minus a few depending on what your original measurement was, okay? So if you don't have exactly 3.68, use what you have and keep going. If you have like 10, you're a little bit off. Because this number, notice we have to keep using moving forward. So we're going to use number 5 for the rest of these informations. So we're keeping that same number. So again, whatever you had up top, mine was 3.68. So we're using that as we go. So this one here says using the average spreading rate, you calculated in 5, got it, to figure out how much spreading has occurred in your lifetime. So we have to know the movement, and we also have to know how old you are. And most ninth graders are, of course, in that 14 to 15-year-old range. So whatever age you are there, and then we're figuring out, well, if the plates are separating at 3.68 per year, and I want to know, well, what would that total distance be for a 15-year time period? That's my calculation here. And same thing down here for this one, number 7. I'm using that spreading rate. I want to know in the year 3022, how much would that spreading change? So in the next 100 years, what would that be? So same idea. I'm taking that average times how many years I want to know about to get my calculation. The last one here, number 8, we have to think in reverse. We know that the seafloor has spread 186 centimeters since Principal Roback's birthday, since he was born. So we want to know, well, how long has Principal Roback been around? So we have part of this formula. We still know the average, right? Again, this is the one I was using. We don't know how many years old he is, but what we do have is the total. So we have to do a little bit different of a problem to solve for his age. Good luck.